Hello, in front of me I've got iPhone 13 Pro Max. In this video I'll show you how to use Siri on lock screen. Firstly, open Settings, enter Siri and search, enable Siri, set up your voice. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, play some music. And now make sure this function is enabled. Now we can lock the phone and simply say, Hey Siri. Hey Siri, what's the weather like today?
It's currently cloudy and 13 degrees. Expect mostly clear skies starting in the afternoon. Temperatures are heading down from 14 degrees to 8 tonight.
If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.